Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Today we are discuss about one of the important problem in couplings. Okay, in this couplings we are discuss one of the important coupling, muff coupling. Okay, using this muff coupling we are join the any two shafts to transmit the power one shaft to another shaft. We want to join any two shafts, that's why we are using this muff coupling. Okay, this is one of the important type of muff coupling. Okay, let's see, this is one of the important question. Design and draw a muff coupling. In this question our motto is to design the muff coupling, to design the muff coupling or draw the muff coupling which is used to connect two steel shafts, transmitting 40 kilowatts at 350 rpm. Design shaft and muff. Design shaft. First of all, we want to design shaft. After that, we go for the muff. Okay. Next, from strength point of view, and other dimensions by empirical formulate shear stress for muff and shaft are respectively 15. Muff is 15 Newton per mm square and shaft is 30 Newtons per mm square. These two are shear stress for muff, shear stress for shaft. Assume maximum torque to be 25% more than average torque. Assume maximum torque 25 mm more than average torque. Let's see, in this question our given data is 40 kilowatts power. First of all, write down given data. Power is denoted by P is equal to 40 kilowatts. 40 kilowatts the converted into watts, 40 into 10 to the power of 3 watts. Okay, next rpm, the speed n is denoted by n is equal to 350 rpm. See here in our question 350 rpm. Next design shaft and muff from strength point of view, other dimensions empirical formulate. Shear stress for muff and shaft. Shear stress for muff 15. Shear stress tau, like a tau muff is equal to 15 Newton per mm square. Tau muff or tau 1. Okay. Next tau shaft. Tau shaft is equal to 30 Newtons per mm square. Okay, this is a given data. Assume maximum torque to be 25% more than average torque. Assume like torque max T max is equal to 1 point, like 100% plus 25%. 100% plus 25%, that is 125. Converted numerical 1.25 T average. 1.25 T. This is a T max is equal to 1.25 T. Okay, T means in this one T is equal to average torque. Okay, average torque, T max, maximum torque is equal to 1.25 T. 1.25 T or 1.25 T mean. Okay, this is our given data. Next design of shaft. First of all, we design the shaft. Next step is design of shaft. After that we go for the coupling. Okay, design of shaft. What are the dimensions are there? Design of shaft. In this design of shaft, first of all we find out the torque. In this one we don't know torque of shaft we don't know, that's why find out the torque is equal to like P formula, P is equal to power 2 pi nt by 60. Using this formula find out T is equal to torque. In this one we know power is given na, n is also given, then find out torque. T is equal to 60 into P by 2 pi n. Okay, then P is equal to 60 into 40 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 10 to the power of 3, P is equal to 40 into 10 to the power of 3 watts. Next 2 pi into n is equal to 350, speed 350 rpm, 350 rpm. Okay, find out this one. T torque is approximately 1091.9 Newton meter, 0.9 Newton meter. Okay, T is find out na. Next find out T max. This is T mean or T average. Then T max is equal to, already we know that T max is equal to in our question 1.25 into T mean. Then substitute T mean or T average value 1.25 into T. T is equal to 1091.9. Okay, find out this one. Torque T max is equal to approximately 1364.87 Newton meter. Okay, this one. Okay, this is a T max. After that find out the shaft diameter. Using T max equation. T max actually T max is equal to formula T max is equal to pi d cube by 16 into tau. Pi d cube by 16 into tau. Shaft, shear stress of shaft is 30 Newton for m square. Tau shaft is equal to 30. This one is a tau shaft. Okay, these all are design of shaft, that's why we take tau shaft only. The pi d cube by 16, tau shaft is equal to 30. Okay, tau 2 or a tau shaft. Then T max is equal to, already we know that na, 1364.87. this is a Newton meter, then converted into Newton mm into 10 to the power of 3. 1364 into 8 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton for Newton mm. Then d cube is equal to 16 into 13, 16 into 30, 64.8 into 10 to the power of 3 by pi into 30. Cube root of after equal cube root of. Okay, this one cube root of C. Okay, D is equal to cube root of 16 into 1364.8 into 10 to the power of 3 by pi into 30. Okay, after that find out D. D is equal to value is approximately 61.4 mm. 61.4 mm. Okay, this is shaft diameter. Shaft diameter is denoted by 6. This one approximately equal to 62 mm. Okay, this is shaft diameter. Eta is denoted by D. D is equal to 62 mm. Okay, this is design of shaft. Next we go for the design of muff coupling. Okay, design of muff coupling. Okay, next design of muff. Next step, design of muff. Okay, design of muff. Okay, design of muff. In this design of how to design muff, there are some properties are there, some proportions are there, like muff length, muff diameter. Muff diameter, inner diameter is denoted by small d. Inner diameter of the muff is equal to shaft diameter. Okay, outer diameter is denoted by d. Okay, next width, outer diameter is equal to, outer diameter is equal, there are standard proportions are there. Standard proportions like 2d into 13 is outer diameter. Let's see, muff diameter is equal to shaft diameter. Muff inside diameter, muff inside diameter, or muff diameter of internal muff diameter is equal to shaft diameter, is equal like inside diameter of muff is equal to shaft diameter. Okay, shaft diameter in this problem, shaft diameter already we find out na, shaft diameter is equal to 62 mm. Okay, this is equal to inside diameter of a muff. Next, outside diameter, of muff is equal to, it is denoted by capital D is equal to 2 small d plus 13. Okay, 2 small d is 62, substitute 62, 2 into 62 plus 13. Okay, this capital D is equal to, in our problem approximately 137 mm. All of you find out this capital D using your calculus. Okay, capital D you have find out now. Next, coming to the checking. Already in our question there are design shaft and muff from through point of view and other dimensions by empirical formula, shear strength. Okay, using this one find out in the check for shear strength of muff. Check for shear strength of muff. Shear strength of muff. So this is one of the condition. In this condition, shear strength in this shear strength of muff equation is T max is equal to, using this one, T max is equal to, in shaft T max is equal to pi d cube by 16 into tau. But in this one there are two diameters, one is inside diameter, another one is outside diameter. That's why shear strength tau muff into pi d power of 4, pi into d power of 4 minus small d power of 4 by 16d. Okay, this is a muff equation. Tau max is equal to, using this in muff, tau muff into pi into d power of 4 minus small d power of 4 by 16d. Okay, next substitute tau MUF is equal to 15 Newton per mm square, then 15 into this one into pi into d, capital D is equal to 137, small d is equal to 62. 137 power of 4 minus 62 power of 4 by 16 into 137. Okay, let's find out tau max. Tau max approximately 2.8 Newton per mm square. 2.8 Newton per mm square. Okay, this is a T max. Okay, using this one, next find out depth width, find out next find out length of the MUF. Length of the MUF find out length of the MUF. Length of the MUF is denoted by capital L. Capital L is equal to 3.5 into d. Already we know that small d 3.5, small d 3.5 into small d is equal to 62. Okay, 3.5 into 62, how much? 217 mm. 217 mm. Next key design of key. Next we go for the key design of key. Okay, length of MUF is equal to, we find out na, one is MUF T max already we find out, and diameter of MUF is also find out na, out of next L length of MUF 217 mm. Okay, next design of key. There are standard proportions are there. In this design of key, first of all, width of key is denoted by W. W is equal to small d by 4. Small d by 4, d is equal to 62 by 4. Okay, find out this one. Find out this one. How much 62 by 4 is equal to 15.5 mm. Okay, next thickness. Find out the thickness of key. Thickness का key is denoted by small t is equal to small d by 6. Small d 62 by 6. Okay, thickness of key t is equal to 62 by 6. 62 by 6 is equal to 10.3 mm. Okay, next length of key. Length of the key. Length of the key is denoted by small l is equal to 3.5 small d by 2. Half of the MUF length is equal to 3.5 d 62 by 2. Then small l is equal to 3.5 into 62 by 2, nothing but 217 by 2. 217 by 2 is equal to 108.5 mm. This is a small l. Length of the key, next thickness of the key, next width of the key. These are standard proportions. Okay, first of all, in this question, first of all find out the solve design of shaft, next design of MUF, next design of key. Okay, using these all elements we transmit the power one shaft to another shaft. We join any two shafts. Okay, thank you.